Medial Tibial Stress Syndrome, or Shin Splints, a rite of passage for most runners either at the beginning of your training or when you're ramping up your mileage for a new goal race. Here in phase one, we're gonna get you back on track with the things that you need to be doing, which is going to encompass basically hip down, looking at the hip, the thigh, the knee, the lower leg, and the foot. So we're gonna go through our daily mobility work and our warm-up work that we're going to want you to do before each and every run. While in the office, we're going to be progressing strength. So get in the habit of doing these, making it good habits around your training, making it part of your training, and just realize that these little things are what keep you from getting injured, get you through injuries faster, and ultimately help you perform your best.